Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. So if you haven't already, I would be happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. Today I'm participating in a challenge called as Minis Challenge, and this is hosted by Corie from Crafted by Corie. And basically we have to do 3 mini projects which are spring themed or St. Patrick's themed. So I was thinking to, do both. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the final reveal, you guys. I'm so excited to share this St. Patrick's and Spring Minis. So let me start with this basket of shamrock And then this one is one of my fall basket that was like kind of so it was pretty as such, but I wanted to give like a little bit of brown tint to it. So I just gave like an antique wax, like you saw the process. I just painted all over the basket with antique wax and also decorated the handle of the basket with lace ribbon, cotton lace ribbon. So this is so beautiful. I'm so falling in love with this. And this is one of the shamrock leaf that I got from that bouquet, and one of the wooden picture frame. And I just wanted to give like a farmhouse look to it, so I wrote lucky in there, and one of the burlap bow on the top. So yeah, I'm so much loving this. So let me know your thoughts on this as well. Ceramic bunny that you can paint. So what I did was I just stuck floral moss around it, and I just gave him a cute burlap bow. So he's looking so cute. He's all ready for spring. And here, this is one of the cute flower vase from Dollar Tree. I always was eyeing on this, so I got the opportunity to decorate this flower vase this time. So I just painted the chalk paint, and on top of it I just gave like antique wax to give like little distressed look, and I gave like one of the florals on the top. I just like that floral. I don't know the name of it though. And this one is one of the lid of a jar, a gray color, so I twined the bottom and I gave it like as a candle holder. So this garland you already saw in my previous project. This also, all of these are from Dollar Tree, you guys, and I'm so excited to share this few of mini projects that can go onto your tray. And so I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.